So guys, the digital optimization assignment, the task 1 we completed, and we are entering into the task 2. Actually, we were discussing this even in the classroom sessions, but I thought of giving you all some kind of a summary of whatever the areas we were talking about and how you all have to address your answer. So in task 2, when you look at the total marks allocation for task 2 is 45. Right, you have given 45 marks. Out of that, 15 marks allocated for the task 2 part A. So I mean 45 marks. So part A 15 marks, which means you are talking about 750 words. 750 words. You have to be careful, right? Because you have to manage with whatever the given resources. So the entire task is all about the conversion optimization plan. Entire task is talking about the conversion optimization plan, the task 2. So we know there's something called conversion rate optimization, CRO, conversion rate optimization. In the sense, what you're converting what? I mean, we know, there are different digital medias we are talking about. We talk about paid media, we talk about earned media, we talk about own media, we talk about shared medias and things like that. We talk about different medias, right? So, I mean, people are engaging with whatever the medias. So what do? We are analyzing their behavioral pattern. With whatever the medias, we are analyzing their behavioral pattern. So once we identified their behavioral patterns along with these media channels, what we have in our portfolio, so they may be the potential customers. They may be your potential customers, right? Your potential customers. So our intention is what? To convert these potential customers into our real customers, right? So conversion rate means that let's say you talk about 100 potential customers who engage with your website and you converted about 10, which means your conversion rate is what? 10% of the total customers who engage with your website. So your intention is what? To optimize this, increase this. Your intention is to optimize this or increase this. So the entire task 2 is all about the conversion rate optimization and the conversion optimization plan. So your answer should focus on those areas when you write. So it is one of the crucial thing you need to remember. So let's look at the question carefully because there are a couple of key areas you need to address in your answer. If not, your answer will not be okay. So we need to make sure that you're addressing those points. So let's look at one by one. Now, in your question, let's read the question first. The digital optimization is the area we are looking at. And in part A of your question, there are a couple of key areas you got to address in your answer. So first, let's read the question, then you can get an idea. Create a customer persona. One of the key word is there, the customer persona. You have to create something called customer persona. So we were discussing what is customer persona in the classroom session. So you have to refer the notes and the LMS so that you can get an idea. What is customer persona? So create a customer persona based on the characteristics of the key customer segments. I mean, you identify the key customer segments as well in your assignment. So you need to remember that. So you need to build a customer persona for that key customer segment whom you have identified. Key customer segment for a conversion optimization plan. Why do you do this? Your intention is to prepare a conversion optimization plan because your intention is to increase the conversion rate, optimize the conversion rate. So to do that, you need to have your plan properly, your customer persona properly. So clearly detailing the relevant stages of the customer journey, Now see, the customer journey is another area where you got to look at. So the next part is a customer journey. So customer journey means what? From information search to the consumption. From information search to the consumption. From zero moment of truth to the first moment of truth, the second moment of truth, you know. So the customer journey you got to identify how they interact with the website and what do they look at and what are the areas they are searching for in your website and what are the things, how do they comment in your social medias, the customer journey, what do they do next, what they have done so far. Everything is all about the customer journey, how they are interacting with your digital medias. So you got to cover your answer based on these 2 points with the objective of design the the conversion optimization plan. So in your answer, you have to cover these 2 areas. So task 2, part A. So you need to have a main heading for the part A. You can have, okay, identifying the customer persona and the journey for digital optimization, something like that. And in that coverage, and that you have to have one area allocated for customer persona, detailed customer persona, right? So that is another one. That is one area you have to address. The other area you have to address the customer journey. So both these areas should be clearly addressed in your assignment, covering 750 words, using 750 words for you to score 15 marks. And you need to make sure that you identify your key customer segments and you match with your theme, and the other one, you match with your theme, and with everything only, you identify your customer persona and customer journey. So look at the LMS notes and what are the classroom discussions, the recordings, so that you can get an idea. So make sure that you cover these 2 areas in your answer. Any question you can discuss with the classroom session. So good luck, guys. Do it and send me so that I'll give you my feedback. Thank you.